In our Back to Life segment, we consistently see the amazing recoveries at the Bonati Spine Institute. Most patients leave pain-free, some for the first time in over 30 years, no longer having to rely on pain medications. Our patients come from around the world seeking out the exclusive patented Bonati spine procedures from world-renowned orthopedic surgeon Dr. Alfred Bonati. We recently went to Malone, New York to hear about the exceptional recovery of Catherine Schrader. We'll also speak with the medical staff that assist in treating these patients in our Back to Life segment.
My name is Catherine Schrader. I'm 50 years old and I'm a correction officer for the New York State Department of Corrections. Before my surgery, it was getting so I couldn't do any of my yard work, hunting. A lot of times I didn't even bother to go out because my back hurt too bad, I wasn't going. This is osteoarthritis. It built up all up and down my spine. First it started with my neck, and I had a procedure done up here where they put in hardware in my neck, and I was over 6 months in a great deal of pain from that surgery, and of course left a good sized scar. So when I started having even worse pain with my lower back, it was hard to even get up and down off the couch. But it was hard to sit on the couch too for very long because both caused pain. I was in pain all the time. When I slept at night, I would sleep for a couple of hours thanks to the pain pills, and then I would get up and I'd walk around, and then I'd go back to bed and I'd sleep a little more, and I'd get up and I'd walk around and I'd go back to bed. I couldn't sleep through the night. Pain pills have side effects that cause other problems. They get rid of the pain, but then you pay for it elsewhere. I couldn't do the things that I normally do with my granddaughters. It got to the point where I couldn't ride the four-wheelers with them. My granddaughters are very active. They come over here and they like to play, and Grandma's back was just too bad. She couldn't play. My husband had to do most of the work with the chickens and the dogs most days because my back was bothering me, and I couldn't do it. So that left a lot of extra work for him. When you don't feel good, intimacy isn't exactly something you want to do too much, and that's not good on a marriage. I was looking into alternative, something different to do because I didn't want to go through that pain again. And I found out from one of the girls that I went to school with, she had her back done at Bonati Spine. So I called them and sent them my MRI, and they scheduled the surgery. Anytime you're about to have surgery, you're nervous. So when I walked in, I was nervous. But my back hurt, and I knew I had to do something to get my life back. After I got there, seeing the way that they treated me and basically talked me through everything, and they were so encouraging that pretty soon I wasn't nervous at all. Dr. Bonati explained everything to me. He was very kind. He was almost jovial. He made you look forward to after the surgery because he had your spirits up. They were very professional, courteous. They listened to you. And with a doctor, that's hard to find. After the surgery, I felt good. I could do anything I wanted to. Whereas when I had the other surgery, I was flat out. I couldn't even be flat out in bed. I had to sleep in a recliner. It was neat. I was watching it on TV while they were doing it, and they were talking to me while they were operating on me. And I wasn't in pain, but like if they had touched a nerve or something like that and I felt it, I told them, and they took care of that problem. It was a very different experience. You're actually participating in your own surgery, so to speak, by guiding them to where your pain is.
It's rewarding here when you see these people come in with walkers and wheelchairs, and they walk out of here basically pain-free and walking like they haven't walked in years.
You don't have to wait to feel better. You feel better right afterwards.
I see patients prior to surgery with pain. I see patients after surgery pain-free. That's the reward of working for the Bonati Spine Institute.
You don't have that groggy feeling from being put completely under. I didn't need pain medication for what I had surgery on. I didn't have any pain. You can be pain-free. You can have your life back. So why sit home on pain pills and gaining weight and feeling drab about yourself when you can be out there doing things and feeling good? Have your self-esteem back. There was a lot of things we couldn't do before, but we can now. We go for walks up and down the road. There's a big hill down the road. We walk all the way down and we check out the little stream down there, and it's nice, it's quiet. Dogs go with us, they love it. I'm the one cleaning the chicken coop now, and I'm going to be going back to Bonati to get the other side done. With Dr. Bonati, hopefully the other side will be just as good as the right side, and I'll feel like a teenager again.
Every time that I walk in the operating room, when I am scrubbing my hands, I always thank God for the opportunity to do this. And it's very unique, that feeling. And you need to appreciate it. The same like the patient. When you are doing this surgery, the patient appreciates that. And it's amazing how easy the word God comes in their minds.
This is the first time that I am pain-free after 18 years. And it's just wonderful. I love it.
Phenomenal results, no pain whatsoever.
My pain is virtually gone. Nothing short of a miracle.
Those surgeries gave me my life back.
Already I feel like a new person.
I'm going home new. I can chase my grandbaby now, I can garden, I can cook, and I'm really thrilled. The outcome has been remarkable.
I feel 100% better.
It's like a miracle.
It was phenomenal. It literally did change my life.
I was in a wheelchair at that time, and I left here walking.
Every single pain that I had when I came here is gone.
I'm ready to go home and feel great. This place is great. Thank you.
Everything that they said they would do, they have done, and I'm very, very satisfied and happy with those results.
I knew in surgery, in fact I told the surgeon when he relieved the pain off the nerve.
The pain is gone. I'm feeling wonderful.
I have no pain. I feel better than I felt in 4 years from the surgery. It was almost immediate relief.
Today I am totally pain-free, which is just amazing. It's fantastic.
It definitely works. I mean, I really don't know what else to tell you. I'm happy.
I can honestly say that I just had my last surgery 4 days ago. I feel like a brand new man. The next morning that I woke up after my first surgery at Bonati Spine Institute, I felt immediate relief in my legs and in my feet. And I couldn't have been happier.